Hey everyone, Hunter here with Injected Motorsports. We are going to show a new product from 3D MaxPider. It's their cargo mat. They have a full line of floor liners, sort of like Husky, but they're a little bit different. We'll show y'all a few things. On this one, we're going to work on a 2023 Suburban. So all you people out there with kids, we've got a couple of neat storage bins, some kick pads, and cargo mat that is, I don't know if some of y'all have seen from the factory, the third cargo mat slides around, and I'll show you all that. That's from GM. We don't really like it, so we're gonna try something new out and then kind of go from there. Thank y'all. All right, so here we're at the third row of the cargo spot. We do have the factory style that go onto the back of the seats, and actually they have held up pretty well. They're not too bad. But as you can see, they're slick from the bottom. We've tried velcro, we've tried those really plasticky, almost like a little, I don't know, little needle with the little claws on it, and nothing seems to work. They were kind of ripping the carpet too. They still slide. They say that's supposed to stop something, but that doesn't stop anything. So it's like when you take, with kids especially, so you slide anything out and the whole thing falls off too. The whole thing will slide with it. So that's been a problem for us. So we're trying to find something for that third cargo area. And so we have the new .3D MaxPider cargo mat. This neat technology to where these little things will stick to the carpet pretty well and not really move. Maybe that should probably just hold that together. It's a neat texture material. It actually cleans up really well. You can power wash them just like you would, you know, the WeatherTech, or in this case Husky. I've not been a fan of WeatherTech anything anymore. They just really didn't stick up with the times. Husky does a pretty good job for the most part for the front interior floor mats. But we're gonna give these a shot. They've been around a while. You can find them. Their new Kegu series are really nice. They're actually pretty affordable too. They're really not that expensive. And then here in a minute, I'll show you the new duffel bags that they have and how it might help with little ones or just carrying whatever, put it in the Jeep, waterproof. Anyways, I'll show you. I'll put this in and be right back. All right, now installed is the new 3D Kegu cargo mat, third row, if you want to call it that. Like I said, you'll have to let it kind of form to the bottom. It's kind of cold today, so you just kind of have to keep working. If you want to even use like a little heat gun to kind of get the thing to conform. But as you can see, it's a nice gritty material, really strong material. It has the lips all around, so it keeps any spillage or any dirt inside. It can bend in half either way. We put these on top for now. I mean, I don't know if you can cut them off if you want to. I mean, I just like to leave it like this just in case, because we like to fold the seats down. As you can see, when you throw them all the way down, it'll give you some extra coverage on that back side for kids crawling around. Or you can, like you said, you can always trim these. Everything is trimmable on this vinyl material, this poly. But anyways, yeah, it's easy to clean. You can wipe them off. You can power wash it just like you would normal floor mats. Really, so far, I like the product. So I want to always test things before we really try to push anything. We've been looking for a solution for a while, and so far, I think it may work out. I'm gonna do some tests here. All right. So we finally got everything set up. Somebody to hold the camera here, so make sure it's nice. It's gonna move a little bit, of course, but Their patent material under here is pretty neat stuff. That's how it's going to sit. Just your standard car seat again. Set it in. The last one, you moved it at all, I mean, your mat would come way out. You're gonna drag it. Mat doesn't move. Awesome. It moves a little bit, it's fine. The other one would fall right out. So far, I'm already impressed with the design. Really like that design. I like the material too. Just remember, you can use just your plain soap and water. Doesn't take anything fancy. And also, like I said, we'll probably review this here in a little bit. This will be next, is the anti-kid kicker. As you can see, it goes on the back of your seat. It's just gonna clip design, go around here, clip. Has pockets as well. I like this kind of because that's pockets. Easy to clean just like that, wipe them off, store stuff, but this keeps all your seats good, especially if you have, you know, your higher end leather, your King Ranch leather, or, you know, even this leather to protect it. But yeah, I mean, that test, as you can see, no slippage, really sturdy, water resistant. Nice product.